Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Friday, September 26th. Here is what we are covering. OpenAI is rolling out ChatGPT Pulse, a feature designed to create personalized morning briefs while users sleep. Aimed at setting the stage for a new morning routine, Pulse provides 5 to 10 tailored reports intended to replace the first glance at social media or news apps. This initiative marks a shift in OpenAI's approach, moving from reactive chatbot functions to more anticipatory assistance. Fidji Simo, OpenAI's CEO of applications, highlighted this as a step towards democratizing support once exclusive to the wealthy, beginning with pro users and eventually expanding to all. Currently, Pulse is available to subscribers of OpenAI's $200 a month Pro plan, appearing as a new tab in the ChatGPT app. OpenAI plans to broaden access once efficiency is improved. The feature's potential is showcased through examples like sports news roundups or personalized travel itineraries, demonstrated by OpenAI's product lead, Adam Fry. The reports, appearing as cards with AI-generated content, offer a glimpse into how tailored AI can manage daily information flow. CEO Sam Altman mentioned that compute-intensive features like Pulse are initially limited to the most expensive subscription due to current server constraints. To address this, OpenAI is rapidly expanding its server capacity in collaboration with partners such as Oracle and SoftBank. This move aligns with a broader trend of AI tools becoming more integrated into daily routines, serving not just as reactive assistants, but as proactive helpers. OpenAI's efforts reflect a growing emphasis on making advanced digital support accessible, promising to eventually extend these capabilities to a wider audience. From personalized briefs to magic, AI's portrayal captivates public imagination. In recent discussions about artificial intelligence, figures like Sam Altman have likened its capabilities to magic, fostering a perception of AI as a near mystical force. This portrayal, while engaging, risks overshadowing the reality that AI remains a complex machine, albeit with incompletely understood mechanisms. Enthusiasts often treat AI as an all-knowing oracle, posing deep personal questions to chatbots like ChatGPT and Claude, reflecting a broader trend where technological advancements are seen as a modern-day salvation. The allure partly stems from the obscurity of AI's inner workings, which even experts struggle to fully comprehend. Sam Bowman from Anthropic notes that researchers are frequently surprised by AI's behavior, highlighting a gap in understanding that fuels both curiosity and caution. This enigma, combined with AI's potential, propels companies to amplify the hype. OpenAI's cautious approach before releasing GPT-2 in 2019, citing potential dangers, and Sam Altman's apprehension about GPT-4's power in 2023 exemplify this. By 2025, Altman's comparison of GPT-5 to the Manhattan Project underscores the gravity with which AI's evolution is perceived. This sense of suspense, akin to a magic trick, keeps audiences captivated, even as the promised breakthroughs remain just out of reach. While marketing strategies play a role, genuine belief in AI's transformative potential drives both optimism and fear, positing AI as either a future savior or destroyer. The escalating godlike discourse around AI permeates cultural dialogues, making it a focal point of modern technological narratives. Turning to benchmarks, the enigma of AI drives rigorous evaluation efforts. OpenAI has introduced a new benchmark, GDPval, to evaluate how its AI models stack up against human professionals across various industries. This effort is part of OpenAI's mission to develop artificial general intelligence. Recent tests show that OpenAI's GPT-5 and Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.1 are nearing the quality of work produced by industry experts. However, OpenAI acknowledges that these models won't replace human workers just yet. The GDPval benchmark evaluates AI performance in 44 occupations across 9 sectors, including healthcare, finance, and government. In the initial version, GDPval v0, professionals compared AI-generated reports with those of their peers. For instance, investment bankers were tasked with creating competitor landscapes and comparing them with AI outputs. Results showed that GPT-5 High, an enhanced version of GPT-5, matched or exceeded expert-level work in 40.6% of cases. Meanwhile, Claude Opus 4.1 scored higher in 49% of tasks, attributed to its ability to create engaging graphics. Despite these promising results, it's important to note that GDPval v0 only tests a limited range of tasks, primarily focusing on report submission rather than the broader scope of professional duties. OpenAI plans to expand its testing to cover a wider array of tasks that reflect real-world job complexities. This initiative highlights the ongoing exploration of AI's capabilities and its potential impact on the workforce, underscoring the nuanced journey toward achieving AGI while balancing technological advancements and human expertise. On the competitive front, Musk's XAI aligns government access with AI strategies. Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company, XAI, has reached an agreement with the U.S. government, allowing federal agencies to use its chatbot Grok for a nominal fee. The General Services Administration will charge these agencies just 42 cents for an 18-month period of access. This effort aligns with Musk's ongoing commitment to integrate AI into government operations. Despite recent controversies, including Grok's inappropriate remarks, XAI remains in the race against industry giants like OpenAI and Anthropic. While OpenAI and Anthropic set their service fees at $1, Musk's choice of 42 cents humorously nods to his fondness for the number 42. This move is part of Musk's broader strategy to expand AI application while fostering government efficiency. Shifting focus from government to market regulation, Apple's DMA concerns intensify. Apple is urging the European Commission to reconsider the Digital Markets Act, DMA, arguing it negatively impacts user experience and safety. The tech giant claims the rules, such as allowing alternative app marketplaces, compromise privacy and security, leading to potential scams or overcharges. Apple highlights that the DMA enables other companies to access sensitive user data, like messages and medical alerts, posing further risks. The DMA, designed to curb market abuse, allows fines up to 20% of global revenue for repeat offenses, as seen with Apple's $580 million fine in April. Concurrently, EU regulators are investigating Apple's fraud prevention measures, seeking more information from the company under the Digital Services Act, a related regulatory framework. From app marketplaces to music platforms, digital regulations impact various industries. Spotify has removed 75 million spam tracks in the last year as AI tools have made it easier for scammers to create fake music. The platform is cracking down on AI-generated spam, which is problematic because tracks played for over 30 seconds earn royalties for scammers, reducing legitimate artists' earnings. While these 75 million spam tracks rival Spotify's 100 million track catalog, the company says AI-generated music has minimal impact on streams or revenue for human artists. Spotify is implementing a music spam filter to identify and stop fraudulent uploads, and has introduced rules requiring tracks to be streamed over 1,000 times before earning royalties. They are also tightening rules on vocal deepfakes to prevent unauthorized impersonations. With AI's influence on music, Databricks' integration with OpenAI expands enterprise solutions. Databricks has entered a $100 million deal with OpenAI to integrate advanced models, including GPT-5, into its platform and AI product, AgentBricks. This collaboration allows businesses to build AI applications using their own data, accessible via SQL or API. By incorporating OpenAI's cutting-edge systems, Databricks enables its customers, such as MasterCard, to enhance AI solutions directly within their data environments. This deal secures substantial revenue for OpenAI as it expands its infrastructure. Meanwhile, Databricks addresses the rising demand for secure generative AI in businesses, offering a streamlined solution for evaluating and improving AI performance across various tasks. This strategic move highlights the growing intersection of AI and enterprise data management. In funding news, Juicebox's AI-driven hiring tool attracts significant investment. Juicebox, a promising startup founded by David Pfaffenholz and Ishan Gupta, has secured $30 million in Series A funding from Sequoia Capital to innovate the hiring process with its AI-powered search engine, PeopleGPT. The tool employs natural language processing to swiftly analyze professional profiles and websites, identifying top talent more efficiently than traditional methods. Since its launch in late 2023, PeopleGPT has attracted over 2,500 clients, generating more than $10 million in annual recurring revenue. The platform's ability to expedite hiring is crucial for companies developing AI functionalities, drawing interest from firms like Cognition and Ramp. With a lean team of just 12 employees, Juicebox continues to thrive without a dedicated sales force.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.